Welcome to help screen, and if you are having issues, device is not compatible with the version of Android, first thing, just simply go for the settings over here or find the settings application into your phone. If you don't have the settings or you cannot find it, you can just simply open up the notification bar and you should be able to see the gear icon, which is the settings. So guys, I will show you three solutions. So for the first solution is just simply scroll down over here until you see software update. So in some Android devices, you should be able to just simply select system and should be able to see software update. Now here, just simply select download and install, and when there is any update available, you should be able to download it over here and make sure to download the latest version. Now, if your system is up to date, what you could try to do is just simply go through the settings again and then go for the apps. So now here on the apps, just simply go ahead and try to find Google Play Store and just simply select the three dots on the top right, and you should be able to see here uninstall updates. So this pretty much reset the Google Play Store and select OK. And after that, it will be automatically be downloading the latest version. And if it doesn't fix it still, what you could try to do is just simply restart your phone by tapping on the restart icon or by holding your power button for around 5 seconds and select restart. Now, if it still doesn't, you would just simply go back to the apps again over here and go for the Google Play services, and after that, you could just simply do the same, uninstall the updates, and don't worry, it will automatically be downloading the updated version. Or you could just simply select the three dots on the top right if you don't see the Google Play services, and you should be able to see here show system apps, and you should have the Google Play services over here. Pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more, guys. If you do, leave a like. Thanks for watching.